Hello y'all, I'm going to show you something. This right here is coffee. You see this part right here is called a grinder. This right here is a grinder. Ain't very big, is it? Not very big. You see what I'm talking about, grinder. I'm going to let you look a little better on this. See it? This right here is beans. What I do is I go and take this, put them in there. I want y'all to look at how I'm doing this so you'll understand it. We're going to sit there and we're going to grind this thing. Okay. I got it in there. Now remember, that's coffee grind. Them are coffee beans. Them are beans. Them are coffee beans. Put them in there. Put it here. Clamp it. Now I start turning that thing. See what I'm saying? Turn them things. So you see I'm turning it, turning it, turning it, turning it. Want y'all to see it. Don't take that much more. See what I'm doing? I'm turning it all over the place. Now we're going to turn it back over here. And the coffee grain. You see the grain? That's the coffee. I'm going to reopen it. Now I got me some ground up coffee. Now all I got to do is just sit there and see what I'm saying? I think all survivalists and preppers should have at least a good grinder to make your coffee. That's what you call prepping. Now you seen what I did. There it is. I ain't changed nothing. My grinder. The coffee I just got finished grinding. All I was doing was just doing like this. Just grind my own coffee. That right there actually came from one area. That coffee there came from Iraq. That coffee. My grinder. It looked pretty, don't it? It's used for other purposes. The hutch would know what I'm talking about. Homestead hutch. Ox would know what I'm talking about. But you see what I did? And I have one of these. And the price of one of these grinders is exactly $15. Imagine having that in your backpack. It's gonna make you some coffee. If you're gonna run from a tornado or World War III or the Great Ship, at least you have you some coffee. See what I'm saying? Talk to y'all later.